Welcome to Unboxing the Treasure Coast. My name is Pauline Crain. I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams of the Treasure Coast. Today, we're going to talk about a community in St. Lucie West, the Country Club Estates. It's well maintained, well managed, and a gated community in St. Lucie West. It offers golf, par 2 tennis courts, an Olympic-sized pool, and a restaurant called Lakeview Bar and Grill. St. Lucie Trail Golf Club was designed by Jim Fazio in 1989 and revitalized in 2014. There are 445 homes in the community in 11 distinct neighborhoods. Home prices presently are between $450,000 and $750,000, and home sizes are 1,800 square feet to over 4,500 square feet. Many of the homes have been updated with gourmet kitchens, updated primary bedrooms, pools, tropical landscaping, and many have golf course views. St. Lucie West is a great area. It's centrally located. It's close to restaurants, eateries, events such as baseball. It's close to I-95, the Florida Turnpike, and about 30 minutes to the beaches. My name is Pauline Crain. I'm a resident, homeowner, and realtor on the Treasure Coast. I'd love to help you find your Florida lifestyle. Please contact me. Thanks for watching.